Hello and welcome. This is John teaching another Android Studio tutorial. And what we're going to do now is, now that we've had this code before us and we've examined it and we understand basically what's going on, I am going to add a button to this that does a handles and an on event click. Alright, first of all, we're going to declare a button called My Button here at the top. Just scroll down to the bottom and you should be right here. There should be this statement right here, and this, and this, and this includes the entire, so we want to be in there but not in here. So let's go in here and start here. We'll start with My Button and button, and find view by ID r dot ID dot, and then we're going to use button 1, and then we close this, and we're going to do set the on click listener. My button again dot set on click listener, and we want a new on click listener, and public, yes, that automatically fields. Sometimes it doesn't, but this time it did. Public void on click view v, and we're just going to use the text view, my text, and we're just going to do a little quick proof of concept. Text view, find view by ID r.id text view 1, and then we'll close this, and then my text dot set text, and we're just going to say something like thanks, just to test it, and then run it to see what happens. Alright, now when you click me, there, it does work. So our this listener is working. So now all we have to do is we have to go back in here and we have to change this to an if else if and else statement to match the choice. And you know, if you don't want to do this, you've already discovered how to use set the on click listener. You don't actually have to do the rest of this stuff. It's just fun and cool, so I'm going to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do just going to copy and get rid of this, because right in here is where you want your things to go. So set text to copy this, and we're going to do this 3 times, and this is going to be inside of our if statement. If choice equals white, and then put this in brackets, and we'll have this white. Okay, I've finished this up almost. I made the default value actually the last one, the else white, because it matches up here. If choice equals blue, then when you press the button, it'll turn blue. If the choice equals red, when you press the button, it'll turn red. And if it's not red or blue, it's the else statement, it'll turn white. Now, one of the things you'll notice that this is still red. One of the things about this is because this is running on in an inner class, this has to be declared final. So you can actually do that pretty much like how you fix everything else. Right here, if you drop this down to copy choice temp final variable, and that will turn all those into final. But because of it's in here and in here, this has to be turned to final for it to work. Now, once that's done and you run it, it'll work. it's running. You can click me just to start with. Turns to white. Tune to red. Click me. It turns to red. Turn this to blue. Click me. It turns to blue. It's, it's a cool little app. It illustrates this event handler pretty cool. And also, it uses an if, else if, and else statement, which everyone, most people are going to need practice with anyway, because this is a major part of programming. I like it. It's cool. It's interesting. I enjoyed making it for you guys, and I hope you used it and learned something from it. So this is Ageless Don teaching another Android Studio tutorial. I hope you learned something. Keep on keeping on. Don't forget to subscribe and to thumbs up.